3, 2, 1, go. Good day, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I'm J.R. Alejandre, a computer science student. Today, I want to share you my personal code ethics. That I committed the following, and I grew personally and professionally in the field of technology. So let's start. Let me begin with a quote by Immanuel Kant, a philosopher whose ideas have shaped modern and ethical thinking. We have Immanuel Kant, not only according to that maxim whereby you can, at the same time, that you will should become a universal law. Meaning, this principle of universal morality reminds me that every line that I code and every system that I make and every tech that I use should reflect not what is legal but what is right. So let's start. Values in computer science. So in the field of computer science, the pace of innovation is fast, but so the potential for ethical messages and missteps. That's why I believe values are crucial. So let's start with integrity. Being honest in my work, especially in coding, data usage, and research. Because in computer science, when you code something, when you make something, you have to be honest to your decision makings. And next is responsibility. Taking ownership of a technology I created and understanding its impact on user society. So example is, you have a friend that asking you to, how did you make this code? So I am the responsible, I have to be responsibility to answer that because I made my code myself. So next is respect for privacy and security. Handling user data with care and never exploiting vulnerabilities. So meaning, kahit yung mga ginagawa mo sa pagiging coding, may pagmamahal siya at galing siya sa'yo. Hindi mo siya kinuha sa mga artificial intelligence and other websites. So next is excellent. Constantly improving and learning and upholding quality in everything I do. As someone in tech, I have to remember that tools that I created can affect millions, whether it's through AI, it's through software or cybersecurity. I must never lose on the side of the human impact. So let's start. Personal commitment. Moving forward, I commit using my skill to create a technology that uplifts rather than harms. I will never plagiarize code or mispresent my capabilities. If I find a security flaw, I'll report it ethically, not exploit it. I will also take my responsibility for my mistakes and learn from them rather than hiding them. So you have to be honest to yourself. You have to make your own decision to have a greater stuff. Okay, my personal experience na naalala ko yung group ko that time sa grade. Nung sa first year ng HCL pa lang ako, and may binigay sa amin si sir ng code na usually hindi namin alam, hindi pa namin masyadong may experience, pero sinabi sa amin ng teacher namin ng prof namin maghahanap kami ng way para masolve siya ng maayos. So basically, me and my group, yung group ko, kumuha siya ng valid code sa websites or sa artificial intelligence. So, sabi ko naman, before natin ilalagay yung code, i-credit muna natin yung gumawa, which is yung owners. Why? Because it was a small stand, but it was the right thing to do because you have to credit someone kung sino yung mismong unang and originality gumawa nun. So that moment I taught me that ethics isn't about being speeches, it's about small, consistent choices. Next, inspiration from a philosopher, which is Immanuel Kant. One person whose ethically framework has inspired me is Immanuel Kant. As mentioned earlier, his concept of categorical and imperative encourages us act to in ways that respects in all individual as end themselves, not just as meant to an end. In computer science, that means not treating users as just data points or clicks, but as people whose dignity and privacy must be respected. And conclusion, I'll be closing my personal code of ethics is guided by integrity, so responsibility, excellence. I strive to build tech futures that is far inclusive and secure as Immanuel reminds us. So morality is not to train of how many make ourselves happy, but how we make ourselves worthy of happiness. And again, my name is Alejandre, and